Um, in November I did a challenge and I used watercolor markers and it bled through. I don't want to start on this page, so we can use washi tape to make sure you don't have to. So we just tape these two pages together like I did over here. That way you don't see this anymore, and it's a good way to use washi tape. So that's where I'll start, and I'll use this one. I found all these washi tapes from Deco Time, and they're all winter themed. But any washi tape will do. These just stick right on. So here we are, a new page. And I kind of like this, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Not because I'm going to color this page, but just because it looks nice. But I will tape two pages together, because like you probably know by now, I like to keep everything in black and white in the beginning. So if I want to during the month, I can color everything the way I want to. And sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. So by taping these two pages together, it gives me room to do color it in later on, without having to worry that everything bleeds through like it did last month. Because unfortunately the paper in this bullet journal is really thin. But using washi tape like this gives you room to draw in your bullet journal, because the paper will be thicker and it gives a nice edge on both sides, like you see over here. So now we can start with our December spread, and I found these washi tapes with all kind of pictures on them, and I just decided to use those pictures to make a festive page. So I'm not going to draw anything, I'm just going to tape in some washi tape and write down December somewhere. I found this silver small tape and I'm just going to lay it on top and at the bottom. And let the dots guide you. That's why they're there. And you see it glitters a lot. And this is a tape with a lot of houses on them. So I'm going to use this tape. And I'm going to cut off the first one because that's half a house. And I'm just going to use a row of houses. And I'm just thinking of this when I go along. Didn't really plan it, except for I'm going to use these tapes. And I found this one with penguins. I think I'm just going to cut a few. You could use them as stickers. Then at the top, I'm going to put down Santa. With some gifts. And this time I'm not going to just do everything. I could have cut everything out and I decided not to. I only want one Santa, and it's constantly Santa, for gifts, Santa, and so on. So I decide to add a few extra gifts. So I have to cut out the Santa. And here's my December spread.